if all the holy Sangha and the monks and the high lamas and the teachers all go to Ganden, even the Dalai Lama comes and blesses the Setrap statue, then we went, I wonder if he got power or not. You have to think already. You can make money. You can work. You can go out and do business. The monks can't do any of that. How do you think they get their money? Whatever they do Setra Puja and they go out and do it. Whatever they finish, they come back, they do Setra Puja. I lived there. That's my monastery. I've seen it. I've witnessed it. Things incredible happen when they do Setrap's Puja and practice. Listen to me. There are times when the monsoon season is very heavy and we have to complete something in the monastery, like building or whatever. This is very small, but it's quite incredible. And they want to lay the cement for the roof of a prayer hall or whatever. And it's raining cats and dogs. They just have a few monks, older monks, go in there, casually drink tea, do a Setra Puja. You will see the clouds clear. You will see the clouds clear. They pour the cement and it dries. When it dries, it's solid. The Indian men, the Tibetan guys go up there, they hit, no problem. Then after that, it starts to rain. Many times we've seen that. Something as simple as that. But let's not bring Setrap down to some kind of dance warrior, just make rain and stop rain. He's much more than that. But very basic things like that, how he helps. Why? Because the monks have cultivated a relationship with him. I brought him here to Malaysia for a few reasons. One, he's Amitabha. And many of the Chinese Malaysians, I'm not included, many have a big hang-up about Amitabha. Great. Victory to you. The Pure Line sect. So, why can't Amitabha take off his robes, wear a warrior's outfit, get on a horse and say, I'm going to help you? Why not? You think Amitabha cannot? Then the Pure Land sect cannot? Then they already put a rule for Amitabha. Amitabha didn't make the rule, they make the rule. You cannot. So the Mahayana monks and nuns, they say, Amitabha, you cannot. You stay in the Western paradise, keep quiet, and don't have any drinks. So can we make rules for Amitabha? Can we? Can we say to Amitabha what he can and cannot do? I don't think so. I don't think so. And Ganden Shatse Monastery, one of the most elite monasteries, built by Lama Tsongkhapa himself for the last 600 years, who have created hundreds and not even hundreds, thousands of enlightened masters, thousands. They all rely on the Dharmapala Setra. Dharmapala means Dharma protector, Setra for help. The high monks, the high lamas. Don't look at the clown here. The clown here relies on smooth talking, nice hair, and good complexion to get his food. The holy monks there rely on meditation, practice, study, and learning. And Setrap helps. If Setrap will help them, he will help you. So why does he help them? Because the monks are having 2 kids each, opening up a business, have millions of dollars in a Swiss bank, and go for pubs and talk about nonsense and sit there and watch Beckham play with a ball all day long. Do you think that's why Setrap helps them? You think why Setrap helps them, and then use that as an example of how Setrap would help you and what you need to do. You think. So if you pray to Setrap, may I get that foxy, beautiful girl that I saw yesterday. And may she bless me with her beautiful body. Help me, Setrap. And you recite mantras. I am sure you're going to get her. I am sure that's what Amitabha is here to do, to increase your desire. And then when you can't have a baby, you pray to Setrap, give me a baby, 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 and consult the whole planet, every high lama, give me a baby. I'm sure the lama will psychically use his astral body to come, and when you're together with your wife and doing your thing, he'll bless you to have a baby. That's the purpose of a lama. That's why we have a lama, so that he can help us make a baby. That's what Buddha came to the planet for, to teach us how to make a baby. And then, of course, the baby thing is very small, never mind, because you need a very high education for that. The animals, you had to learn from the animals how to do it. But you think about money, business, how much time you spent. Give me more money. If I have this, if I come across this, if I get this business, if this deal goes through, then I will do Dharma. You bargain with the Buddha again. You bargain with Setrap. If this business deal goes through, then I can relax. Do you think so? How many business deals have gone through, and have you done spiritual practice? If I get this inheritance, if I get this job, when I finish this, when I get that, then I will do it. How many things have you already gotten in your life, and have you done it? Have you done it? And then if you look at very wealthy people, not everyone, the majority, how many of them sincerely do Dharma practice? Or they're busy with parties, fun, titles, entertainment, cars, traveling, vacations. How many actually do Dharma practice? You think about it. Not all. There are exceptionals. How many? What did Jesus Christ said? It's easier for a camel to fit through an eye of a needle than it is for a rich person to give up his wealth. What's the meaning of that? Attachment. So what's my point? My point is criticizing rich people? No. Criticizing you because you can mate and make kids and wow, wonderful. And they celebrate and have christenings and buy clothes and food and celebrate. Oh, look, he can have a kid. We walk down the street, we say, cats having kids. Do we have a shower? What's the big deal? What's the big deal you can have kids? You just bubbly, bubbly, and that's it. What is the big celebration? What is the big deal? In fact, when you have kids, you go, uh-oh, they know that I was horny again. They know that I was doing bubbly again. Then you have 10 kids and you show it, like some of my students, they have 10 or 11 people in their family. I'm like, where are you guys from? A small village, no electricity? I said, I understand. Nothing to do. So, am I criticizing? No. I'm making you look at it from a different perspective. Am I saying you shouldn't have kids? No. Look at it from a higher perspective. Go throw your kids in the river? No. 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 It means to divide your time correctly now because you can look at things from a higher level. Don't fool yourself by lack of knowledge. Don't deceive yourself from lack of understanding. Don't.